say behind a tiny C. And that's why I say, for me, what Biafra has come to represent for me will bring Sobu. Because be it Uwazuruike, be it NNAMDI Kanu, be it Simon Ekpa, I have not seen any of them advance any progressive cause that would positively transform either the economic or social fortune of Ndi Igbo, of their generation, of my generation, and generation that is coming ahead of us. How we see is just utter destruction. At best, it has become a lucrative, if I say criminal enterprise, it looks like I'm trying to call them criminals, but that's exactly what it is if you ask me. It has become a selfish enterprise for them. You know, if you look at the life of activists, it's almost like the life of early missionaries. They have zero regard for materialism. Selflessness. But you cannot say same of some of these people. These our, let me call them neo-Biafran agitators. You know, to some of them, it doesn't go beyond the naira and kobo of the struggle. That is why you go to a place like New where Uwazuruike has his palatial mansion, and you begin to ask yourself, is this the home of an agitator, or is this the home of a former head of state, or the home of a former business mogul? I onye dosachi ya inejo kevo bosa. Keda fi Uwazuruike na hasode. Kevo Malaya. As no lawyer. Yes, as a lawyer, he's of the mold of Nedumoko, who you say yes made money from litigation, helping countries recover funds and all that. There's nothing to his name apart from Epota. You know, get people, brainwash them, raise funds from diaspora sources and local people, and you say you are agitating. Agitating for what? What is it that we did wrongly in 1967 that ended in 1970 that we shouldn't repeat again in this 21st century, in this period? Has anybody sat down to have that structured conversation about what Biafra really is? Or what Ndi Igbo should really be driving or thriving towards? As of today, we appear like a people that are confused. So we have become a people that are almost rudderless. So it has developed in Ndi Igbo what you may define as the victim mentality. And you ask yourself, the person who is in Canada, for instance, or in the US, doing well, maybe sending monies at home, maybe as the breadwinner, diaspora remittances and all that. But this person, the last time you checked, and won't be anything this significant he has done for his immediate community. Probably. But somebody somewhere has just sat down behind the microphone and told him that there are Fulanis behind his father's farmyard and that they are coming to destroy everything. So he should bring money. And you see people sheepishly throwing in resources, throwing in money, not knowing that they have inadvertently been empowering the actual criminals who have been tormenting Ndi Igbo. So in the light of that, I am very clinical in defining the difference between Biafra and Ndi Igbo. I am Igbo, Abron Biafra. Biafra for me has become a deliberate ploy to self-annihilate if you don't watch it.
Self-destruct.
Yes.
The lone voice you were talking about, let's cite Mazen NNAMDI, for example. Whenever he's talking, he's not just talking about Ndi Igbo as Biafrans. He covers Cross River, Akwa Ibom, Edo, Kogi. You know, he